This video was made possible by Skillshare. The first 500 people to use the link in the description will get a 2-month free trial. Even though Lucius had become king, he was still missing what he desired the most: the respect of his people. He decided to visit the sage on the mountain in hopes that he may gain some advice. Lucius kneeled in front of the sage and spoke. "Wise sage, my people don't respect me. I am the son of kings. I've read all of the books in my kingdom, and I've defeated many enemies in battle, and still, they don't respect me. Why don't they see my greatness?" The sage silently continued to read his book. Lucius tried once more. "Wise sage, please, I know you can help me." The sage continued to read. Lucius got up. "How dare you ignore me? I could have your head on a spike and use it for decoration on my kingdom walls, you foolish old man." The sage continued reading. "What you seek cannot be found here." "Where can it be found then? Speak up." The sage held up 3 fingers while continuing to read. "At the base of Mount Misgivings, you will find 3 caves. 3? Which one do I enter?" The sage finished the sentence he was reading and then looked up into Lucius's eyes. "The one you fear the most." "Fear? Do you know who I am?" "I don't fear anything, old man." Lucius walked out and headed towards the base of Mount Misgivings. Lucius approached the 3 caves and took a look at the first one. The severed arm laying outside of it made him shiver. He looked at the second cave. Blood spilled out of it, and the handprints left behind made it seem as if someone had almost escaped before being dragged back inside. He swallowed hard. Lucius looked at the 3rd cave and could see nothing. It was a black hole. This one scared him the most because he didn't know what to expect. The clues left in front of the other caves showed some possibility of escape, but the 3rd cave held no signs whatsoever. After a long pause, he entered the cave and began his descent. Lucius stumbled down the cave for hours before getting trapped inside a cavern. Inside, he met a spirit that asked him why he had come. "The sage sent me, spirit. He told me that I could gain wisdom from you, that you could teach me how to get my people to respect me." The spirit told him that wisdom required a sacrifice. "What must I sacrifice, spirit?" The spirit paused before responding. "What you value the most. My kingdom? No, there's something you value more. Take that dagger, cut out your eyes, and throw them into my flame." Lucius hesitated, but saw no other way out of the cavern. He cut out his eyes and threw them into the flames. "I've given you what you want, now give me what I want." But the spirit just vanished. As days went by, the blind king had not had anything to drink. He felt lonely, missed his people, and wondered if they missed him. Had he done anything to deserve that honor? "I'm no king," he said to himself. "What is a king without his people? I deserve to die here." The cavern suddenly flooded with water up to Lucius's knees. He took a sip and was thrown into divine ecstasy as he inherited the wisdom of the gods. The cavern opened up, and Lucius began his ascent back to the kingdom. Lucius called the entire kingdom to a meeting. He listened to the problems of all of his people and saw the kingdom from their perspectives. And, although he was blind, he realized that he had never seen the kingdom so clearly before. He used his newfound wisdom to help his people, and in doing so, he became the most beloved and respected king in history. I'd like to thank this week's sponsor, Skillshare, for giving away a free 2-month unlimited access trial to the first 500 people who click the link in the description, and after that, it's only around $10 a month. Skillshare is an online learning community with over 25,000 classes in design, business, and more. My favorite course is Motion Graphics with Kurzgesagt, also known as In a Nutshell. They're a great YouTube channel that can teach you how to make stunning animations in their signature style. Whether you want to fuel your curiosity, creativity, or even career, Skillshare is the perfect place to keep you learning and thriving in 2019. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.